Hi and welcome to Scribble Maps. In this video tutorial, I'm going to cover how to make your first map. The first thing you see when you come to Scribble Maps is there's a panel in the middle of the screen. This gives you quick access to our blog as well as Scribble Maps Pro, the map directory, and to get to these video tutorials. Now, if you need to get back to the video tutorials at some point in the future and this panel is closed, you simply click on the menu at the top left and then select the Home button. Now, to make your first map, it's really quite simple. And to demonstrate, I'm going to click on the Scribble tool and just make some scribbles on the map. So we've done some work on it, and we've decided this is what we want. Once you've created the map you want, you go back up to Menu and select Save Map. Now, there are some fields you need to know about when saving. The first is the map ID. This is generated by the system initially. It's a safe ID to save your map with. Safe meaning that you can be sure it doesn't conflict with anyone else's. You can specify your own map ID, but it must be unique. In other words, no one else is using that ID. Otherwise, you'll have to choose another ID. Note that the IDs are case sensitive as well. Now, if you have the ID for a map someone else made or edited, you'll need the password for that map in order to access it. So for this demo, I'm going to leave the map ID as is, and then I'll type in a title, and I can also give a longer description about this map. The final two options when saving are autosave and delist map. These are both checkbox options. Autosave will automatically save your map every 5 minutes as you continue to work on it. Just click the checkbox to turn the feature on. Delist is an option that, when checked, prevents your map from coming up in our public directory. When you click on Save, you'll be asked for a password. Now, if this is a brand new map, the password you create now will apply to this map in the future. If you're saving a map that you've created previously, you'd enter the password for that map in order to save it now. Enter your password and then click Save. Once the map is saved, you'll see a dialog box with several pieces of information. These fields can be especially important if you're using Scribble Maps and not Pro Scribble Maps. First is the map ID. Second is the map directory link, which is really good for sharing your map. And finally is the direct map link, which you can use in the future to load directly into Scribble Maps. At the top right are options to share the map on Facebook, send it via email, or you can click on this icon to get the embed code so you can then embed this map on your website or your blog. Let's have a quick look at the directory listing. Note that if you're logged into Facebook, there's an area for comment, there's an icon to expand it to full screen, and more. So that's your first map and how to save it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to watch our other Scribble Maps video tutorials.